Hi, my name is Bryn. I'm one of the physiotherapists here at the Neuromuscular Centre in Winsford. This is a video about back massage. I'd like to say thank you to our volunteer Liv for this video. If you haven't already watched the introductory video about massage, please do. You can find it on the link just here. If you're going to do any massage today, please check the contraindications. If you have any of the contraindications or are unsure about anything you see on the screen now, please check with a relevant health professional. To start massaging the back, we want to use a stroking technique. This will help us spread the medium, whether it is lotion, oil or talc. We want to make sure that we're covering the muscles we are targeting so that we're not dragging the skin. We can then move on to some effleurage strokes, starting at the base of lower back, where it joins with the hips, going up alongside the paraspinal muscles, and then coming back round the outside, back to our start position. Best way to do this is with an open hand because of the area that we're having to cover. We can then go on to more focused effleurage movements using either fingers or side of hand, focusing on one side at a time, applying slightly more pressure, again running through the paraspinal muscles, starting at the base of lower back and working up towards shoulders. Repeat this on both sides. We can then do a more specific kneading technique, doing small circles around any areas of particular tightness or discomfort. This can be done with one hand or two hands, depending on the pressure needed. You can work your way up the muscles again. You can focus on some specific areas in the lower back. One of the areas that may be more uncomfortable would be at the base of spine, where it joins into hips. There's a large amount of overlapping fibers here, so it can often be sensitive. We can either use the kneading technique we've just seen or an individual thumb, depending again on the pressure that the individual is able to withstand. Another area of particular tightness in the lower back is on the outside. Again, you can use your kneading technique onto these more lateral muscles. And then, as with all massage, finishing off with a stroking technique just to relax the muscles out again.